welcome to the 13th episode of our Advent Calendar series. Jonah, what do we do here?
Let's go.
If you're new, be sure to throw that subscribe button and make sure
Throw down with that subscribe button.
that you
kick that like button.
munch on these episodes every day at between 10 and 6 p.m.
Hooah! Kick
10
that like
a.m.
button.
and 6 p.m. I have been informed that we've only uploaded on time about once. So around then, maybe not, it'll be in the day, at least daily. Noah, what do we do here?
Alright, so basically we open up this monolithic, gigantic Advent calendar. You know what? It's just big.
It's just big.
It's just big.
He's having a good time.
In this series, in each of these compartments, we hold 5, count them, 5 presents for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kids. As you see them, there's one over there and one right here who's a little bit delirious. Alright guys, so let's get into number 13.
It's up there. We need a ladder.
I think we dumped that when we moved it. Micah says help us because he is not a single entity.
Help us. Help us, save us. He's a madman.
Except, actually that's high and I sort of don't like ladders.
And if you guys haven't watched Spy Kids, you haven't lived life.
That's right. Alright. Number 13.
Micah, that's bad luck.
Let's open it.
Just kidding, I don't care.
Oh, dang!
There's nothing in there?
We got a bunch of cereal.
There's nothing in number 13, episode's over, let's go home. Just kidding, we live here.
That's stale.
When I was building it, 13 was Micah's original box.
I've been told Micah likes this box.
So wait, now what?
You can climb up here on his own.
We're the
Come up
cousins.
the ladder with you.
Alright, what do I... Okay, first I'm gonna do Lucas.
Wait, there are actually
Wait, there's
cousins
stuff in there?
Yep.
I didn't know.
We got a little tiny red bulldog onesie here.
Oh, that's
Oh, looks like
Oh,
it
how
fit you,
nice.
Jonah.
cute. I don't need this anymore.
Emma, let's see.
This says dough dots, creative modeling dough. So let's open it up.
Let's go.
Ooh, Micah, I know what you're about to do, and
Ooh.
Noah, I know what you're about to do.
Same type of kid.
I want the
Alright,
curlies.
so these are Fisher Price dough dots 8-pack. I think this is my thing, right?
Some of the curlies, my friend. Oh,
Fisher
he's
Price.
the opposite. He puts it in and I take it out.
So thank you to Fisher Price for the free product. I'm saying it now before I forget. Check this out. It's very soft and squishy. I can squeeze it like that.
Purple ball, mean.
It's very nice. I like the consistency.
I like the squoziness of it. It's very
You
squozy.
want a purple ball?
Say me.
Martin Scorsese.
Well,
Well,
it isn't like slime where you can like put them together like that.
Well, it's not that easy, but you can still mix them.
What else we got, guys?
we got
Grab the other gifts.
something, some more something.
What we got, Jonah?
That's it for the something. Alright. We got Guava Toys Slime Pack Breakfast Bonanza.
Hey, it's Ryan Higa. This is from Guava Toys. So thank you to Guava Toys for sending us the free product.
And maybe Brain Putty / Orb.
This is from
Yeah, show 'em
Soap Joker Entertainment.
Brainy buddy.
There's like a lot of things here.
So thank you to Joker Entertainment for sending us this. Or is it Brain Putty's the product? Micah wanted me to make this into a ball, but he's not paying attention. So here you go.
Slime pack blueberry.
What? My turn? That's fine.
Ooh, it does smell like maple syrup.
It's so strong.
Whoa,
it
okay,
is
this one's a
awful.
lot different.
Ooh, that one's nice.
That one actually smells good.
Okay, this is a little shocking. You smell.
It's not blueberry?
It's blueberry, but it's like, whoa.
Hey guys, I got putty, which means that it's like rubber.
Alright. It does smell good.
It is blueberry. It's just like
Alright, now,
really
show me
strong.
yours.
Yeah, it tastes like nothing.
I didn't get slime, I got putty.
Alright, show me your pootie.
A completely different consistency and feel.
Oh, it does taste a little mapley.
You just-
Not supposed to eat it, but
I didn't know they made
Ooh, it
toys
tastes like
now.
blueberry.
They were like Smosh, but funny.
Ryan, no, not Ryan. The other guy left Smosh.
Yeah.
Ryan
Ian.
Bergara.
Ian
Smosh
Peacocks.
doesn't exist anymore.
Ryan Bergara.
He's a cool dude.
Smosh does exist, Emma.
Well, I mean, didn't
I
it get
followed him
shut
on
down?
Instagram.
Smosh? Or Ryan?
Alright,
Smosh.
cool.
Smosh.
So thank you
I
to
think they're all different companies.
thank you to Orb Slammy and Joker Entertainment for the pudding, and thank you to Guava Toys for the slime. Thanks for watching. Comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up on Twitter. See you later.
Bye!
See you next time, YouTube.
Click these rectangles buttons and click this circle to subscribe.